Really, to get our heads around it, we just need to understand two basic toolkits. Think of them as two totally different ways to tackle the exact same problem. How do you see the invisible? Oh, what is it? Well, picture this. High-energy waves like X-rays come flying in and literally bombard, and the granddaddy of them all, the original and most famous use for this, is the good old X-ray puppet show. Seriously, we're shining a special kind of light through the body and just capturing the shadow it casts. But how did... It just means how much different parts of your body block the X-rays. Think about it, parts of the image. That difference, that's the contrast. That's what lets us actually see things. And builds a complete, detailed 3D model of your insides. It is absolutely incredible stuff. Of the signal. And we have a special camera that just listens. So how does that make a diagnosis? It's always a careful balancing act between the medical benefit and any potential risk. Okay, let's ingenious ways to see inside us that have nothing to do with ionizing radiation at all. First up, ultrasounds. And the key thing to know here is it has zero to do with radiation. And that brings us to the undisputed heavyweight champion of soft tissue imaging. The simple version of how this crazy thing works. First, that giant magnet, it makes all the protons, and that is why they are so strict about screening for any metal before you go anywhere near that room. Okay, so which one to use? Well, like any good craftsperson, it's all about picking the right tool for the specific job you need to do. RAM, with its incredible resolution, is perfect for spotting those tiny specks. So, or another anymore. The future is all about bringing them together. And this is where the human body in ways we're just beginning to imagine. It just makes you wonder, what invisible secrets are we going